A drizzle of olive oil in a small bowl. Add paprika. Add oregano. Add black pepper. Add a pinch of salt. A little more olive oil, set aside. Brush 1 sliced eggplant with this sauce. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Place 2 onions sliced into rings at the bottom of the tray. Place 150 grams of tomatoes on top of the onions. Add salt. Add black pepper. Add oregano. Roll the eggplant, Parma ham, and cheese sticks together. Place them in the tray. Add 3 eggs. Add the sliced bell pepper. Sprinkle with chives. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Delightful.